What is up, guys? It's BuzzCash25 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing MMX again. Some guy just sent me a trade. His name is Matty Colt, the No King. He's pretty good. He has a lot of good stuff, but he wanted my Crimson. He put in a Rocky, a Kaleidoscope, whatever that is, and that's it. And he said Crimson. I told him I don't want a pet, but he said it again. Well, it's a pet. It's a pet. I can't use that for killing. Exactly. Why would you want to use a pet for killing? It's a rock. You can throw it sure, but that's the really bad thing. It's like the only thing it does. I think I know who it's Leo the Aslan. Oh man. The god of rocks. Where's he? What? Oh my gosh. I'm so scared of this guy. No, he's out. He's not. Wait, does he even know where the guy is? Wait, oh my gosh. He's going past everyone. Wait, what? Where'd he go? Oh, he juked him! That was funny. With that guy. He's a girl forever. She only has a godly revolver love strike. It's pretty cool, but there's more chance that you'll get. I'll try not. I can't get Fury. I'll try getting the Blue Luger. If I could get Blue Luger, that would be pretty cool. So, almost 1,000. It's 1,000 Robux since I have 50 Robux. 50 Robux. That's 1,000 Robux for a godly pet, a godly gun, and a godly knife. That's not worth it. Ow! No. Oh, I'm not. Oh. Nope. Nope. You're not escaping this time. Okay. Yeah. He was my first victim because I knew he was the highest on the server, so I wanted to get it rid of him quick. This guy is higher level than me, but he has terrible weapons and stuff. So I'm lower level than him, and I have a godly, so that means I practice a lot. I want to do the prison map. It's a 3-way tie. Hey, hey, Mr. Ducky Ducks. Where is Mr. Ducky Ducks? No, it's Mr. Ducky Moose. Oh, found him. I want to see if they'll trade me. I want to give you these two. No. And no, not a money, a sunshine. And a thing. What? Are you gonna do that, dude? You better not be. What? I got a rooster. Oh gosh. Well, let's name my rooster. Oh yeah, his name is Alex. Well, I just did a really good trade. Wow! He just gave me all of his knives. And I got a rooster pet, which is legendary. I like my rooster. His name is Alex. Alex. Wait, let's see Mr. Ducky Duck's inventory. So he has... I gave him a badger, a walrus, and a sunshine. He gave me a legendary pet. This legendary pet's worth like 2 to 3 rares, I'm pretty sure. Which, so basically, I had to give away my walrus. It was an okay trade for me. I got a pet out of it. That means, wait, how do you get it? Oh yeah, you have to unbox it. What a beautiful day. I love this game. That's so fun. I haven't played Assassin as much. I've been making videos on this. I made a video. This guy scammed me. He tried to scam me. Sorry, he didn't scam me. I'm too good for that. He had a godly pet. I put in all of my knives basically, and he said it's a good trade. Godly pet. Yeah, sure, it's a godly, but it's a pet. You can't kill people. You can't stop the murder. You can't do anything with it. Why would you keep that? Yeah, I gave him an uncommon gun. Yeah, sure. That's not very good though. Yeah, sure. I gave them an uncommon gun and 2 common pets for a legendary pet and almost all their knives. That's when you know that you're getting a good deal. Let's see. Crafting. It will show me what I can make, right? Could I do anything with this? I think I'm missing one. Yeah, I'm definitely missing. Which one am I missing? I'm missing wooden for blueprint. I don't think I need that though. I'm trying to. I cannot get switch. I had these 2 with a 1. I trade those for my godly. So my journey is over for trying to get a godly. It worked. I got it. I will remember my 1. It was a good deal on my part. Even though it's just a godly. I've never had a godly before. It's a bonus round. Before I start recording, I was a murderer before, and I killed everybody. And I also did a bonus round, and it was Murder Massacre, and I won as well. So yeah, that's pretty good. This game is pretty fun. When you think about it, there's a lot of games that are fun. This brings it to quite a good level. Wait, what does it say in the chat? Murder Massacre. I'm too tired of Murder Massacre. I'm sick of Murder Massacre. I'm sick of Murder Massacre. Oh gosh. That person took my kill. Oh gosh. Everybody's going for me because they know I'm the best player. Oh, okay, I guess I'll just take you out right there. That was pretty easy. Oh! Well, I'm probably gonna die here. Oh, goodbye, my friends. Oh, hi there. Oh. Yes. My dad was there. It's fine, guys. He's a nice fellow. So where's the last player? Hi. They're hiding. That is all for this game, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye.